Your next car could be the 2018 Mazda Mazda6. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this athletic Mazda 6. Family-friendly and designed to deliver a premium-feeling driving experience. This midsize sedan packs an above-class interior, exhilarating acceleration, the latest in safety and connectivity, and sophisticated style, all at a surprisingly affordable price. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Get into this Mazda 6 and find your new happy place. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.